Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Calicut location. It is from Kerala. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, that is the job opening for creative copywriter position. It is from Finch, Kozhikode location and Kerala. So, coming to objectives of this role, thrive in a fast-paced, collaborative environment with a high volume workload, often requiring short turnaround times, and continually raise the bar on creativity, writing fresh copy that connects with the desired audience and drives action, and comfortably vary voice, style, and other characteristics demanded by the industry, company, or target audience at hand. And you need to maintain up to date knowledge of the communication and the client related industry trends, and stay updated on appropriate style guidelines and brand voice for consistency in messaging. So these are the objectives of this role. And coming to skills and qualification details, professional copywriting experience is needed with a solid portfolio of the work, and exceptional writing and research skills are needed, and the ability to work independently and with a team to meet deadlines, and also excellent organizational skills and also multitasking ability is required to apply for this creative copywriter position. And some of the preferred qualifications are also mentioned here, like social media or content marketing experience is it is an added advantage, and proofreading experience and familiarity with standard style guides a plus. So and also the candidate should be having experience working with content management systems, WordPress, etc., and a keen eye for detail and appreciation of great design. So these are the preferred qualifications to this job, to this creative copywriter position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, if you are suitable to apply, then you can check in the description for the website link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for business development manager position. It is from We Make IoT. It is from Kozhikode, Kerala location. Coming to qualification details, bachelor's degree or equivalent experience is required. I mean, 1 to 2 years of experience is required in industry related business development, and also strong communication and interpersonal skills are required. Proven knowledge and execution of successful development strategies, and also focused and goal oriented. So these are the qualification details. Coming to responsibilities, in the responsibilities, marketing activities and also pre-sales activities are provided. Firstly, from marketing activities, ensure that the company profile is updated in online marketplaces and websites. Ensure the relevant updates are shared through social media platforms, and you need to participate in IoT events, and also you need to conduct marketing campaigns, and also you need to manage a marketing calendar. So these are the marketing activities. Coming to pre-sales activities, new prospect engagement, communication follow-up and documentation, capture and inbound inquiries and observe the trends, and ownership of SOW estimation and proposal. So these are the pre-sales activities. So you please have a look on the qualification details and also responsibilities provided here, and for more detailed information. And also if you want to apply for this business development manager position, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for technical lead position. It is from Hyperblocks India Private Limited from Kerala. So they are looking for a full stack development lead. For this position, they are looking for experienced candidate, like for above 4 years of experience, experienced engineers who can take ownership of development of software components, work with the product management with a first time right mindset, and the candidates having hands on experience with programming technologies such as Node.js, Ruby, JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, jQuery, Vue, expertise in REST and WebSocket, XML and JSON are preferred. So these are the responsibilities, and also the candidate should be having on all these languages, knowledge on all these languages. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this technical lead position, you can visit in the website link. It will be available in the description, so you can have a look on the description for the website to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for Python developer position. It is from U Gota Gift, located in Kerala, Kozhikode. So coming to qualification details, graduation will be any degree, so it is required, and you should be having 2 to 4 years of experience in Python developer, and proficient in English is required. Coming to responsibilities and duties, you need to write effective and scalable code and should be a problem solver with an attitude to contribute towards the success of team or project as well as the organization, and should be able to participate in the requirements gathering and come up with efficient solutions and estimations, and implement security and data protection solutions assets, and prioritize feature requests, and test and debug programs, improve functionality of existing systems. So these are the responsibilities and the duties. Next, it is of IT software and software services. It is and you please check with all the details provided here, and for more detailed information, or else if you want to apply for this Python developer position, you can visit in the website link. It will be available in the description in the video. You can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for WordPress developer position. It is from Credot, located in Kozhikode location, Kerala. So to apply for this position, you should be having a preferred experience like 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and the salary will be 1.8 to 3 lakh per annum. So CTC will be mentioned here. You please check with this one. And coming to skills and experience details, you should be having above 1 year of experience in hands-on development using PHP or HTML5 or CSS3 or JavaScript, and in-depth knowledge of converting complex designs into code, and you should be having strong knowledge of WooCommerce platform and its functionalities, and also knowledge in optimizing websites for faster loading, and knowledge in plugin development, and knowledge and experience of OOPS concepts, and we should be having experience with MySQL queries, and also familiarity with cloud hosting, and knowledge of using version controls like Git, and strong communication and team collaboration skills are required, and also experience in iterative and development methodologies like Agile are needed. So these are the skills and experience details required for this to apply for this WordPress developer position. So if you want to apply for this position, or else if you want to know other detailed information, you can visit in the link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on the description to apply for this WordPress developer position. Next one, there is a job opening for technical content developer position. It is from Cyber Square, coding for kids. So it is from Kerala location. Coming to responsibilities, you need to identify projects in AI or data science, and also implement the project, create training materials, create assessment questions and assignments, and create codes in learning management system for delivering the training, and provide training for trainers who can apply. So the candidates with a technical background from BTech, BCA, MCA, BSc or MSc in computer science. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this technical content developer position, and the candidates should be having experience in AI or data science is essential. So these are the skills and qualification, and also the responsibilities details are provided here. So you can please check with all the details, and if you want to apply for this position, you can visit the link in the description. It will be available in the description in this video, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. It is from Febno Technologies. It is from Kozhikode, Kerala location. So in order to apply for this position, you should be having 1 to 4 years of experience in sales and related field, and builds business by identifying and selling prospects, maintaining relationships with clients, and identifies business opportunities by identifying prospects and evaluating their position in the industry, researching and analyzing sales options, and sells products by establishing contact and developing relationships with the prospects, recommending solutions. And you need to maintain relationships with clients by providing support, information and guidance, researching and recommending new opportunities, recommending profit and service improvements. So these are the responsibilities and also about the job description. So you please go through with the information, and if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description for your reference. So next one, there is a job opening for Magento developer position. It is from Tech GIS, located in Kerala location. So to apply for this position, you should be having 1 to 3 years of experience, and qualification will be computer science graduates, and also BTech also preferred. So you please have a look on the description is provided here. So in order to apply for this position, you can visit in the official website link available in the description. So you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for application specialist position. It is from Erba Manhium. So it is from Kerala location. So to apply for this position, qualification will be BSc in any specialization, biochemistry, biology, microbiology, BTech or BE in biomedical, and also diploma in any specialization. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this application specialist position, and the salary is not disclosed here by the recruiter. So you can also check here with the roles and responsibilities. After checking with all the details, if you want to apply for this position, or else if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the website link. It will be available in the description in the video. You can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for PHP developer position. It is from Sci4, located in Kozhikode location, Kerala. So qualification details are: you should be having about 1 year of experience in web development and software design, and also you should be having experience in PHP framework, Laravel, and also MySQL databases. And these are the responsibilities. Perform a mix of maintenance, enhancements, and new development as required. Work in the data analyst role and with business intelligence applications. Document features, technical specifications, and infrastructure responsibilities, and work cross-functionally to convert business needs into technical specifications. So these are the responsibilities about this job position. So if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video. You can have a look on that once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.